question 3, we have some calculations to do here without a calculator. So the first one is an adding sum. If we set this up as a chimney sum, for example, we're going to have 7 plus 5 giving us 12, so 2 carry the 1. We're going to have 6 plus 3 plus that 1 down there, which will give us a 10, so 0 carry the 1. And then these two ones here will give us a 2, so 202 for the first one. For part B, we have 20 times 300. Whenever you're multiplying numbers together that have zeros on the end like this, first of all, we can add 3 zeros to our final answer because there are no decimals present. We can then take our 2 times 3 together, and that will give us 6, and that gives us a final answer of 6,000. Part C, we have 4 plus 2 times 3. We have to be careful with the order of operations here because that 2 times 3 must be done first before we even think about doing that adding sum. So 2 times 3 will first of all give us a 6, and then that 4 plus 6 is going to give us a 10. Part D, 35 times 16. I'm going to break each of these numbers up into their tens and units parts and do grid multiplication. You can also do a chimney sum for this as well, whatever you're happy with. So 35 is 30 and 5, 16 is 10 and 6. I'm going to multiply each of these together. 10 times 30, that's basically 1 times 3 with 2 zeros in the end. 30 times 6 is going to be 3 times 6 with a 0 in the end. So 18, 180. And we'll have 5 times 10 for 50 and 5 times 6 for 30. Adding these two numbers together vertically, we're going to have 300 plus 50 for 350. We're going to have 180 plus 30, which will give us 210. And then lastly, when we add these pieces together, we're going to have 560 as our final answer. Done.